Thank you for joining us. Prime Minister Datuk Anwar Ibrahim has expressed satisfaction with the progress of the Littoral Combat Ship construction by Lumut Naval Shipyard at the Royal Malaysian Navy base, describing it as commendable. He said this demonstrated the government's strong commitment to prioritising national security assets and reflected the Madani government's emphasis on good governance. He was speaking at the Community Rakyat Programme held in conjunction with the Perak Madani Rakyat Programme 2025 at Sharif Hall, RM and Lumut today.
Negara Malaysia ini negara maritim, meletakkan peranan angkatan laut itu sebagai benteng yang agak utama. Perairan kita tidak terlepas daripada pelbagai kegiatan, kemungkinan terorisme, kemungkinan serangan negara-negara lain, kemungkinan penyeludupan, bukan kemungkinan lagi, memang berlaku. Sebab itu, saya setuju untuk meneruskan projek LCS di bawah Kementerian Kewangan mengawasi, kerana pengalaman lalu itu memang melelahkan.
Meanwhile, Anwar said the government remains attentive to the need to enhance the country's defence assets, with the Defence Ministry being among the ministries receiving the largest allocations in the annual budget.
Pertahanan. Berapa peruntukan pertahanan? Untuk tahun 2025 sahaja, 21.2 bilion ringgit. Bayangkan, bukan kecil. Bagi negara yang berkembang, kita beri peruntukan yang besar.
He added that the move reflected the government's appreciation of the sacrifices made by the security forces and was aimed at ensuring national stability, which is crucial for economic growth. Earlier, the Prime Minister visited the LUNAS facility at the RM and base to inspect the ongoing LCS construction works.